everyone, this is Simon from Supergear Performance. If you've been looking for a more aggressive riser for your Harley-Davidson, you're gonna want to see this, because today I'm excited to show you guys our newest release, the RF7 riser. Alright guys, let's get into the unboxing. This thing's got some weight on it. Let's open it and take a look. Inside the box, you will find the RF7 riser itself, 2 riser bushings, 2 solid copper washers, mounting balls, a CAN bus extension module, and of course some Supergear stickers. The design is honestly pretty unique. The riser's core structure is CNC machined from aluminum alloy, and it offers great durability and corrosion resistance over time. And if you look closer, you can really see all the precision machine details through the body. It gives it a very premium look and feel. Personally, I think the standard feature is the carbon fiber shell wrapped around the CNC machine aluminum frame. I'm a huge carbon fiber fan myself, so for me, this is one of those parts that really completes the whole bag and adds that perfect finishing touch. The carbon fiber composite design reduces weight while keeping strong rigidity, and compared to metal parts, it does it better. The job absorbing high-frequency vibration. Another thing we focus on was cable management. Unlike traditional riser designs, our riser features internal wiring channels for a fully hidden cable routing system. As you can see, we offer both straight and pull-back version, along with the 8 inches, the 10 inches, and the 12 inches. So you can choose the setup that best fits your riding style and position. And as you can see here, on the table, we have 10 different color options available. One important thing to note, all factory touring model handlebars use a 1 1/4 inch setup. So installing this riser will reduce switching to a 1-inch handlebar. That's why we recommend pairing it with our own 1-inch handlebar. Alright guys, that's it. Check it out by visiting supergearperformance.com. If you have any questions or need more information for your bike setup, just shoot us an email. We'll be happy to help you out. Let us know down in the comments which color option you would like to run on your bike. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more releases. We'll see you guys in the next one.